everyone, I bring you this fully finished estate, the Adolphus, here at Goriola Street off Adiola Odekun, Victoria Island, Lagos. There are units of 4-bedroom terraces and 2 penthouses which have been sold out, but the 4-bedroom terraces are still available in the market, and today I'm going to be showing you one of such units, and it's going for only 350 million naira, and there are only 8 units remaining. And before we go into the house, I just want you to get a feel of the neighborhood here. You have the Mike Adenuga Towers just by here. You see the Mike Adenuga Towers. So for busy professionals and people that have work or business around here, this really works. There's an estate pool, and the backup supply, 2 generators, an inverter that is inside also for your 24 hours electricity supply. So this is a very warm and welcoming neighborhood. CCTV cameras, fully secure, security 24/7. So let's go inside and look at the rooms that you can take advantage of. By the way, if you call me today at this price, the rental value here is 20 million naira. So if you want to buy it for investment purposes, you can buy it while you get passive rental income and then capital appreciation of your property if you decided to sell it in a few years. So let's go inside to see a little bit of more of how the property, so you can savor this 4-bedroom terrace in Goriola Street, Victoria Island. Okay, so this is the master's bedroom and is well lit up. This is a smart home as well. It comes with all of the ACs, all of the fittings. It has a walk-in closet here. This is a walk-in closet, and from the walk-in closet it leads you to the bathroom where you have the toilet and you also have the shower. Come and look at state-of-the-art shower that is here for you to enjoy and have a good time, freshen up. Yeah. So this is the master's bedroom. We are starting from the topmost floor and we are going to be descending, but you're going to be ascending in life. Okay, so this is the opposite room, and maybe your wife wants to have her own box room or somewhere that you can come and chill. Here is not as big as the master's, but it has almost all of the same facilities. You have your walk-in closet here, and also so this is the toilet here. Like I said, just like the master's, and but a smaller, more compact size. You have also the view of the city view from here. And wonderful. So let's go to the floor beneath. That's the first floor. This is the second floor. Let's go down to the other floor. And you also have, although it's not from floor to ceiling, but you also have a bit of space, so natural lighting coming in from outside here. You also have the view of the pool here. This is the first floor. Here you can have a lounge, a sofa here, and maybe a TV here, depending on how you want to work it. So there are 2 rooms opposite each other. Let's look at one of the rooms. So this can be the boys' room, and it's kind of really big. You have closets, numerous spaces here for you to do whatever you want to do, pack whatever you want to pack, and it also leads to the bathroom and toilet. It's a smart mirror. This is where you do your business, and also where you shower. So there are 2 rooms facing each other. Let's see the other room on the other side. Another room. This is really big. So if you don't want to go upstairs and upstairs is too far for you, 3 flights of stairs, you can actually make this your master's. This has a balcony as well. So this is the balcony view where you can come and chill and relax There again, the view of the Edenuga Towers and the view of your neighbors. You can say hello to your neighbors, chit chat with your neighbors, and all of that good stuff. This is the balcony view. That this all of the rooms in this side have the balcony view. This is some massive space. You can get a king size. You can even get double bed and put in here, and you still have enough space to put your things here. And there's also another walk-in closet. So you have two closets, so to speak. And like I said, you can actually use this place for your master's bedroom if you don't want to be doing the whole 2 flights of stairs, and then you convert that up to something else. So here you have it. This is the toilet. This is the toilet. Another set of cabinets and wardrobes that you can use. So comes with the AC as well. Smart home. You have all of the features. Sound system that's automatic. Also, it comes with the heater. You can heat up your water to have hot water. It's actually the rainy season now, so you need hot water every day to keep yourself warm. Let's go down to the ground floor where we have the kitchen and the living room. So let's go down. So this is the entrance to the 4-bedroom terrace that leads to the ground floor where you have the sitting room and also the kitchen. So follow me, let's go inside and look at how it is. Let's go. This is the sitting room, the living room, and you can have your dining here. You can have however you want to arrange it. A sofa here, the TV here, and this is the guest toilet. Guests that come to your house, they can come and do their business in here. And I did mention that it's a smart home. So you have your Android technology that you can connect here so that you can start up, automate different features in the house. The curtains, the lights, even cleaning. You can automate all of that. Let's go into the kitchen to look at how the kitchen is. So this is the kitchen. Comes fully fitted, and it comes with your cooker, it comes with your burner, it comes with your oven, it comes with your extractor, it comes with your microwave, and it comes with all of the cabinets. There is a storeroom here as well. The pantry that you can put, whatever you want to put here, and it also comes with a washing machine. I'm not a fan of washing machine in the kitchen, but maybe if that works for you, if it doesn't work, maybe you can convert somewhere up to your laundry room. So here's the washing machine, all comes with the house, and this leads to the backyard. Come and see your backyard. This is your backyard. You have a tap running, and from the backyard, whichever unit you take, you have direct access to your pool here. So, after a long and hard workout day, unfortunately today is raining, but you can just come see the pool and sit by the pool or take a very good swim. And just facing the pool, you also have a gym, which is wonderful. Let's go check out the gym. So this is the pool, very blue and very clean. So you can just come and have a good time. This is the entrance to it, and facing it is the gym as well. Have access to the gym. Here you can do all of your routines. You have your treadmill. Just come walk. I have a very good mind to go on this treadmill, and also you have your weights here. Then you can be on the, thinking of your next deal, thinking of, life is stressing you out. Just come here to relax with a view of the pool. Show them the pool. Nice view of the pool. So this house has it all. And instead of taking this to buy somewhere hidden in Lekki, you can actually come for people, premium tastes, and also that have, want a bit of exclusivity. You can actually take advantage of this. You don't have to be paying gym membership, expensive gym membership, or thinking of how to go into your car to start going to the gym. This offers you the privacy and the exclusivity the exclusivity that you want. So here is the Adolphus estate. Marvelous estate. I'm really loving. In fact, if you don't take a unit here, I'm going to take one for myself. You know, this is where you should buy. And if you want to find out more information, contact me to get you started on your journey. Bye-bye. This is the Adolphus estate. These are all of the units that you have here. This is the units that we just saw here. 4-bedroom terraces, 8 units only. The penthouses have all been taken. You can see also there's a play area for your kids. There's a sign here that says drive like your kids live here. So it's also for that bachelor, that single person, and also if you have a family here, it's also a family friendly estate. 2 generators, you know, for uninterrupted power supply, and you know, we're just going to go out to see how the neighborhood is and to appreciate more. You have 2 car parking spaces for your cars, and if you can manage more, I think you can actually park in other people's houses that don't have the number of cars required. So that's usually the rules in this estate. So you have enough parking, you have enough for recreation and for your enjoyment. Depending on how it is, you can even get your children even play by the driveway in the evenings where there's not much thoroughfare. And there's a bit of greenery, vegetation here. You know, you can appreciate that. It's attention to safety. This is a muster point. There's a fire extinguisher, and there's security all around, tight security all around, with constant power and access to all of the major touch points in VI. So let's go outside to see the neighborhood so you can appreciate it even more. This is the entrance to the estate, and if you're an investor or you're not just ready to buy right now or ready to live here, not in the country, you can actually buy it for capital appreciation and put it on the market for 20 million naira. That's the rental income that you can get from here. People are already living here. The 2 penthouses have been taken. So this is a fully finished estate. It's not something that you have to start waiting for the delivery time. So take advantage of the Adolphus estate by Ridgewell Company.